Leo, what are you doing? You got a project going on? You putting some towels in the bowls? This is what we do on rainy days, right guys? Really, Leo? Dada's right, who needs toys? What are you trying to do, Neil? What's so funny, Lee? Can you throw that? No, Mom's. Hold on, Neil. Hi, Neil. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? You picking up? You spinning around?